Summer Glory was named the grand winner in the VOX Ceilings as a design statement category at the VOX Architecture Ideas Competition, FOAID 2025 Mumbai. The project was recognized for its exceptional use of VOX ceiling statements to transform ceilings from functional surfaces into powerful architectural narratives. Hi, I'm Priyadarshini Mahan, partner at Mahan Architects.
Hi, I'm Rajesh Mahan, partner at Mahan Architects. Summer Glory is one of our unique projects designed to reflect warmth, depth and deep connection to the environment that is designed as a tranquil retreat that seamlessly blends luxurious modern living with nature and refined charm.
Summer Glory isn't just a structure to be inhabited. Rather, it's a custom-built architectural choice that mirrors the client's need for privacy.
What makes Summer Glory special is the trust bestowed upon us and the freedom given to us by the client to express our creativity. With an extent of 8.5 acres, this property is heavily contoured, and the proposed site of an area of 1 acre sits at the highest plateau, commanding a presence over the property.
All primary living areas and bedrooms are oriented to capture the panoramic views of the existing landscape with large fenestration that opens into the semi-covered decks, thereby integrating into the green spaces.
The connecting bridge serves as a central focal point, a vital link between the two blocks that evokes a spirit of openness and harmony with nature. To the north, we have a large spread of lawn with driveway emphasizing the entry levels to the respective blocks, and the south side holds the activity zone with pool, party and decks. The client's brief was very simple, to host, connect and entertain family and friends. And thus began our design journey, emphasizing the key factors of preserving the emotional connect of the space with nature.
Originally a farmhouse built nearly 5 decades ago, we decided to retain the existing footprint of the built form and to preserve the existing natural vegetation. The massing is kept very minimal. The elevation is built around simplicity and allows it to visually merge with the landscape. The site is organized around two built forms, the main villa in the west wing and the guest block in the east wing. When designing the space, the goal was to create a warm, inviting atmosphere without high maintenance. The vision was a seamless flow between the floors and ceiling that enhances the elegant appearance. The choice of VOX material was pragmatic and the experience is emotional and experiential.
One of the most frequently used and loved by the family is the outdoor dining deck. It acts as a shared social spine between the two blocks, enhancing the indoor outdoor dining experience. One of the key design features, as you can see, is the extensive use of VOX in the ceiling, both exterior and interior, that adds architectural interest and depth to the space. The hanging deck has an expansive view of the property and is strategically located to offer easy access from the private decks. The private decks act as a personal retreat opening towards the surrounding landscape that offer quiet, solitude and privacy.
The choice of lighting was to ensure they blend naturally into the architectural fabric, highlighting the depth, warmth, and visual rhythm of the ceiling. Through this transition, the design naturally accentuates the ceiling, letting the home feel alive. The use of VOX in the ceiling adds visual depth and brings a refined character to the interior. The ceiling isn't just a feature, rather it controls comfort and calm. This recognition is a profound validation of a project born from pure intent rather than competitive ambition. When the opportunity to participate unexpectedly arose, the decision to enter was based on the desire to share a genuine architectural story.
Winning this award is truly a honor, and it validates that sometimes the best work is that which is created with warmth and full of heart. It transforms a private achievement into a shared milestone.